In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in West Virginia State. We'll walk through the official process so you can take care of your citation quickly and correctly without a trip to the courthouse. First, open your browser and head to the official West Virginia Judiciary Magistrate Court payment system. You'll know you're in the right place if the site references magistrate court payments and uses a secure state web address ending in www.gov. On the home page, look for the option that says Pay Traffic Ticket. Pay Fine Online. That's the section designed for eligible traffic cases. Next, you'll search for your ticket. The portal lets you find your case using your citation number, sometimes called the ticket number, or by case number or by name. The citation number is usually printed near the top of your paper ticket. Enter it carefully, matching any letters and numbers exactly. If you don't have the citation handy, try your case number or your full legal name exactly as it appears on the citation, including hyphens or middle initials. If multiple results appear, review them closely to make sure you select the correct case. When the information is entered correctly and the matter is eligible, your case will show up for online payment. If it doesn't, it may be too new, not eligible for online payment, or require action from the court listed on your ticket. Before you pay, take a moment to review the ticket details on the screen. Confirm the violation type, verify the total amount due, including any court cost or fees, and check for a court date or payment deadline. Make sure everything matches your records and that you're paying the correct case. Paying online typically resolves the ticket, so double check before you proceed. If anything looks off, pause and contact the court shown on your ticket for clarification. When you're ready, select your case and move to the checkout screen. Enter your debit or credit card details exactly as they appear on your card and billing statement, including the correct billing address and zip code. Many courts use a secure processor and may charge a small convenience fee for online payments. The portal will display this before you submit. For a smooth transaction, use a reliable internet connection and avoid refreshing the page while the payment is processing. After submitting, wait for the confirmation page to load. You should see a confirmation number and a receipt showing the amount paid and the date. Save proof right away by downloading the receipt or taking a clear screenshot and store it where you can find it easily. If the portal offers an email receipt, keep that as well. That's it. By following these steps on the state's official portal, you can resolve a West Virginia traffic ticket safely and efficiently from anywhere.